Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, a trading friend. Friends, whenever you have watched my videos, especially on Fridays and Mondays, I keep telling as a trader, we always expect Friday to be profitable. Reason because the whole weekend you can relax, you can chillax, and you can concentrate on something more creative, and you also it really gives you a big uh, booster. That is the exact word I have to say to you. And same thing happened today as well. You can see both the night as well as the day has given us profit, and we were very happy to book the profits on weekends. And I was also just analyzing my trades, and I just found that this one big loss which we had, and the learning which we had during that period, that is avoid stocks which are trending for strangle, especially the short strangle. After that, you can see that we have been continuous on a good rampage. You can see stock selection was so good. We did our analysis and found out stocks moving sideways, and we were able to consistently make profits. Okay, so in order to see how we did our trade today, we'll just go through the videos. And before that, I just want to give you an update on Upstock. For many times I've been forgetting, but I felt this is very important to let you know because Upstock is giving these beautiful benefits. One first thing is if at all you open the link which I have provided in the description of this video, you'll be getting four benefits. Okay, so these they have Upstock has tied up and they're giving some special benefits, that is free demat and trading account, that is you don't even have to spend a single rupee for opening the account. Second is zero brokerage for 30 days. So if you're trading with big accounts also no problem, how much ever is the brokerage cost, it will be zero. Beautiful part is for the beginners, now they have newly introduced beginners course on stock market at eLearn Markets. Okay, so eLearn Markets is a very good platform for learning about stock markets and all those things. They have got a very good app. The app name is called as Stock Edge. So both this you'll be getting. This is also worth 1,000 rupees. This is also worth 1,000 rupees. Very good benefits, and this offer ends on 31st July. It's all complete online process. You just have to use the link which I have provided in the description of this video, and you will be able to join Upstock immediately. It's over 1 million traders. They are celebrating 1 million traders, and it is funded by Ratan Tata himself. In the sense, he has invested in this. So it's a very good platform. You can try yourself. Okay. So without wasting much time, let us look into the trade which we had. So the stock selected was Reliance, and you can see the stock how it is moving. No doubt at all. Yesterday, today also Reliance has touched the highest. You can see this is a one-day movement. Again, it is continuously moving up, moving up, and no doubt that is why I decided to do the Reliance future. Okay, so just trying to open the option chain. It's available in Upstock itself. You don't have to go anywhere else. People those are not aware of option chains and all those things, you can get it directly from Upstock website itself, even in the mobile application also. Okay, so I'm going to do the covered call. So I'm placing the call option first, and I'm placing a limit order. I have taken 2000 call option. Reason because the premium was little bit reducing, because almost we're reaching to the end of the month, and that is why I had taken ITM. Okay, so I have taken the covered call. Now I am going to place the insurance. Insurance has to be at least 10% far. Okay, in this case, if at all you're going to 1800, let us see. 1800 is not visible. Okay, we have to load more. Okay, so when you go to 1800, the premium I think is almost come down to zero. So I think we will keep at 1900 itself. uh, it's got around 7 rupees. Yes, okay, so that's enough. Around 1900 we are placing our insurance. So in case if the market falls down below 1900, because recently Reliance fell suddenly, yeah, so let us not take a risk, and then I am placing my insurance as well. So it might require a little bit of modification. Let me place 7.8. Okay, so it's completed. So as of now you can see the loss, overall loss is 4000 rupees, and we have initiated Reliance. I'll just show you the position. the three legs taken in Reliance. Okay, so there is an interesting thing happened. You saw the momentum of Reliance; it was continuously going up, and we got profit on the same day itself. That is, yesterday at 3 o'clock itself, after placing the trade, I closed immediately. I'll just show you that as well. So you can see immediately we closed. The loss was 4,000 initially, it has come down to 2,000. You can just see the timing as well. Okay, so 2:58, 3 o'clock, I approximately took the trade, and then by 3:26 itself we closed. The loss, which was 4,000, has come down to 2,000. That means we made good profit of 2,000 rupees in Reliance immediately. Okay, so one thing which you can see was the ITM which we took went wrong for us. You can see it has made big loss. If at all we were taking at the money, the profit would have been more, but it's okay because it's already month end and the premiums are very low. So that was the covered call which we took, and in the daytime, as usual, the money is idle, so we have taken the strangle in Tech Mahindra. So once again, I am just trying to take OTM calls and puts, and I'm directly executing it from my option chain available on Upstock, a very good trading platform, especially very good for working professionals as well because of the OCO orders and all those things. Because Zerodha has stopped now completely, whereas Upstock is providing bracket orders. It's called as OCO orders. It's available for index options. It's available for futures, options, stocks, equity, but not for stock options. Okay, because stock options, the volume will be very less. That is why usually nobody gives market or bracket orders for these. Okay, so these are the two legs I've taken. One is Tech Mahindra 610 put option, and another one is 670E call option. Okay, so you can see immediately we book profit around 6 minutes time only. You can say 5 minutes time. So 9:41 we took the trade, and 9:47 we were in good profits. And today being weekends, I did not go to waste much time. I was very happy with whatever I got, so immediately I booked. So you can see same thing I have updated here. So Reliance gave us 2,000 rupees profit, and then Tech Mahindra gave us 2,800. And I must say, as a trader, I am very happy seeing the performance of this triangle and the kind of accuracy which we're getting. I'm really happy that almost all of them this month especially are able to achieve their targets. People those who joined late also were able to achieve the targets. Targets by I mean 10%, because I keep usually tell them target for 10% only. Though I target for 20%, 10% is good enough because you need to learn this discipline. So we might not know when the big loss might come. So loss can happen anytime. So I still remember the last month experience. It was going on good, and then suddenly you saw we had a very big loss of 7,000 in ITC. So let us not, waste our good month as of now, which we had in such kind of big trades. That is why I'm saying those who have achieved 10%, please stop trading. But I am continuing because I have to upload this trades daily. If I stopped uploading daily, then it might demotivate many people. Okay, so that is why I'm continuing uploading it daily. And also, friends, week one more good week is completed. We are going to enter the last week of the month. So this strategies are going to be the last for this month. So next month, whichever you want to start, whichever you want me to teach you, recommend you to please, you can send WhatsApp to me or suggestions, so that whichever I'm getting maximum suggestion, I will be doing live trade in those as well. So as of now, we have covered strangle, straddle. Also, we have done covered calls, covered puts, hedging, naked trading in Bank Nifty. All this we have covered. Apart from this, I think hardly few left out in options. So whichever you feel is comfortable, you can do it. I'm getting a lot of recommendation for doing these spreads. So if it's okay with you all, please let me know. Okay. So once again, have a nice weekend. Thank you and have a nice day.